What's next? What's next?
Letter B.
Oh, where's the letter B? Can you find letter B? Come on, find letter B. Help Daddy.
Bow.
Help Daddy find letter B. Come on. You're not helping Daddy eh. Oh, where's the letter B? You're not helping Daddy.
Tipa, get letter B. Give it to Daddy.
Put it here. Come on. Okay. A, B. Oh, so where's letter C? Can you find letter C? Very good. Put it here. A, B, C. Oh, where's letter D? Layo ng tingin. A, B, C. Oh, where's the letter D?
Yun!
Very good. Put it here. A, B, C, D. E. So where's the letter E? Here you go. Put it here. A, B, C, D, E. F. So where's the letter F?
F.
You're stepping on it.
It's on your foot.
Nagpapakuha na oh. Nabibigyan na sa paa mo eh.
It's on your foot. Yun.
Foot. F for foot. Hey, where's the letter F?
Tinapang ka na niya.
Nababa na iba yung ano eh.
Attention eh.
Ah. A, B, C, D, E. Oh, so where's letter F? Can you find letter F?
Bakit na yung ulo niya, leg. Very good! Ay, sus.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So where's letter G? There you go. G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What's next? H. So where's letter H? Where's letter H?
Where's letter H? Where's letter H?
You step on it eh.
Ayaw.
Oh, you step on it.
Pinuntahan na niya. Oh. It's on your foot.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, so where's letter H? Can you get letter H, please? Hey, don't step on your cards. Look for letter H. Come on, where's letter H?
Di ba? Parang iba na yan na. Are you?
Where's the letter H? Come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, H. Look for letter H.
There you go!
I see letter H. Oh. Here you go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I. So where's letter I? Here you go. Put here. Very good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. What's next? J. So where's letter J?
Very
good. Put it here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. K. Where's letter K? Wow. You're so great. Put it here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Oh, H again. Tifa, come here. Oh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. What's next? L. Oh, very good. Can you find letter L? Can you find letter L? There you go. Very good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Very good. Look here. Here. There you go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. N. What's the N?
N.
Are you
Very
forgetting
good.
what letter are you finding? Are going to find? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Oh. What's O? O. Can you read what's on letter O? What's this? Orange. Very good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. P. Very good. What's on the letter P? Read this. Paint. Brush. Very good. Let's put it here. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q. Where's letter Q?
Nilalapit niya. Tapos niya. Mabasa. Q. Q. Very good.
Put it there, please. What's on the letter Q? What's this? Queen. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R.
R. R. R.
R. Where's the letter R?
R. R.
Come on, you can find it.
Baliktad.
Oh, where's the letter R?
Where's the letter R?
Where's the letter R?
R.
Hey, what's on the letter R? What's this? Roller skates. Very good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, S. Feeling mo kabisado nyo yung nasa picture. Hindi yung letter talaga.
Ah, talaga?
Kaya nahihirapan siya hanapin.
Nababasa niya naman yung letters. S, tipa. S.
Where's the letter S? S is for snowman. Very good. Come on. Get letter S. Put it here, please. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Where's letter T? Very good. There's the letter T. What's that? What's this? Trumpet. Put it here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. What's in the letter U? Umbrella. Very good. Put it here. Come on. There you go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Where's the letter V? Can you find letter V?
Maji, second generation na yun ng cards.
Can you find the letter V?
V.
What's in the letter V? What is that?
Violin.
Very good. You're so great. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W.
W.
What's that? Can you read that? Warm. Put it here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Where's the letter X?
X.
X-ray. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Y. Where's the letter Y? Y. What's on the letter Y? What's this? Yo-yo. Very good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Z. What's that? Zebra. You're so great. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, let's count. Can you get the number 1?
Oh, number 1.
Very good. What's written in there? Put it here. 1. There. Put it here, please. Here. Give it here.
Give it to daddy.
Here.
Give
Let's
one.
put it here.
Yan. 1.
What's next? 2. What's the number? 2. Very good. What's written on that? 2. 2 pies. Very good. What's next? 1, 2, 3. Where's the number 3? Wow. What's written on 3? 3 balloons. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the number 4? Wow. What's written on the number 4? 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the number 5? What's written in the number 5? 5 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's written in the number 6? What's written in here? What's this? Here. 6 hot dogs. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 bats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where's the number 8? Very good. 8. What's written? Crayons. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. What's on the number 9? 9 cookies. And the last is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's 10 numbers? Yay! High five! The other one. Yay! Alright.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. And then, mommy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Very good. Can you read this? A is for? B is for? C is for? D is for? E is for? F is for? G is for? H is for? I is for? J is for? K is for? King. L is for? Lollipop. M is for? Mirror. N is for? O is for? P is? Q is for? R is? S is for? T is? U is? V is? W is? X is for? Y is for? And Z is for? Yeah! Approve. Thumb. This one. Thumb.